well, that's a better fit, isn't it? So this is its original tailgate back on. You know, it lines up very well, doesn't it? Almost in a shocking condition. It's a terrible looking thing. And the repairs on it are pretty appalling. So there's going to be a lot of work on it. But it's already a better fit, and that's just lying in there. That's not even, you know, I haven't done any more than just plonk it in there. Obviously I'd have to fit the hinges back on. Yeah, that's all our hinge set with the torsion bar springs, but I think I'll have to remove them because obviously they are to take up the weight of the glass, and I haven't got glass in there, so I think I'll have to take them torsion bars out and refit that so I can have it, you know, that will sort of enable me to line up that tailgate and so on, and that goes up in the roof there. It's a unique feature of its day, you know, a tailgate. It wasn't really a thing, was it? I think this predates the Jensen, doesn't it? That had a big glass tailgate, if I remember rightly. But of course that was a Vignali Italian design, wasn't it? So, yeah. Is it Vignali or Michelotti? I can't remember now. Have to look that up, won't we? Yeah. And of course that sits nicer there, doesn't it? That already sits well with that sort of level of that. I know we've got to sort this out, which we discussed, but it fits that end is perfect, isn't it? That lines up with that, you know, level of that boot floor. So I feel a lot happier about that already. I feel this is encouraging. The complications, eh? Oh well. As I say, there's plenty to do, eh? Plenty to do.